College Unifibro Section 4 kijing tip nam ta Khubor Laitkam Hikai haki district bapher bar haki school bapher te kidon kumba ar poitli e ki kam hikai ki balaj hane for dengan tip shwa nagane kene kidon shpotli e kam hikai ki balaj ke bere po West Jaintia Hill district kapur jongka RMSA for appointment for post of headmaster and assistant teacher kene ka tulop jong kene gari arp khna hajar fix per month te RMSA kene contractual 1 year ke renewed man laka shisnam requirement age between 18 years and 32 relaxable up to 5 years in case of scheduled tribe scheduled caste or up to 40 years of those already serving in government aided school and recognized private school. The general qualification is graduate lane preferably postgraduate la kaidan ki postgraduate bak apply in the subjects in arts lane science with B.Ed as essential qualification. Te kitu ki bom don those without B.Ed need not apply. Mdon kam apply kitu ki bom padap ya B.Ed mdon kam apply ki pedang mai tangi kepada B.Ed ngam tangi ni post. Kini kita biar po West Jaintia kad bakila kini school kad ki school kan dia po upgraded government lane ki SSA UP school. Then nam tak post headmaster kan ka way B.Ed preferably postgraduate in any stream with 5 years experience and 2 years experience in school administration nam tak post headmaster. Assistant teacher in social science way kena don kam B.Ed and graduate in arts preferably with major in one of the subject kanu subject ru laban apply. Assistant teacher English language kena B.Ed graduate with major in English merupakan subject English. Assistant teacher in science kena ka way post B.Ed and graduate in science chemistry botany and zoology with major takini lightly bila aman apply nam taka science. Assistant teacher in MIL ka way B.Ed with graduate in arts with major in khasi pindap ya khasi kene. Assistant teacher in mathematics kene don lightly post B.Ed and graduate in science PCM preferably BSc with major in mathematics kipan PCM tambah kam prefer ki bade ya ga honors in mathematics tekini don shipho tali telak ban yo hakon kono school kini ki laong bai kin pha be ki upgraded government ne SSA UP school hapoh West Jaintia be you know ki bathali kin pha eta. Candidate with certified diploma in computer or computer knowledge on using of ICT in the teaching learning process, active involvement in sports, curricular activities, arts and craft, mtadatar khamyo in campaign igini ki badon extra igini. Interested candidate are submit ki balong interested kamau ke last date kandai khalai tarik jong manai October 13/10/2023 to the office of the undersigned. Applicant are requested to mention the phone number and email address in the application form. Kitu ba apply kamau pin pandap number standard form. That can now mention your number, mobile number, but email address. Photocopies of relevant documents, certificate, testimonial of record and original document for verification should be produced during the interview. Tegi pihak submit begini, kelas date kena khatlai, teh kapor interview pada pihak upload ya baru ki original tegi ban verify nam tagi ke documents ki jongpi. Kan mau pihak submit apo DSEO District Project Coordinator RMSA West Jaintia Hill Jowai. Apo DSEO Jowai. Apo submit ya kan neka ini post ki balaj shipho tali. Ta kitu shipho tali lalaj dan don biang sa new tali post kini bade kini application standard form are invited for filling vacancy for the post of assistant lecturer in various subject in government senior basic and higher secondary school Minsu for any stream and government girls higher secondary school Jowai for commerce stream on contractual basis. Kanero kade po West Jaintia Hill nam ta ki assistant lecturer ka school kane kade po government senior basic and higher secondary school Minsu for any stream and government girls higher secondary school Jowai for commerce stream on contractual basis initially for a period of 1 year and to be extended subject to receive of fund from Ministry of Education in the fixed salary of kanebde salary fixed kade life we hajar for B.Ed degree holder and 27 arpunyo hajar nam taki bompat dep ki badang undergoing kanebde long moi ba undergoing for B.Ed undergoing kini gila man apply tambah kade arpunyo hajar ki bala dep de life we hajar fixed. Candidate must be a citizen of India non kamre ka age kade bekat prat life r plus sans name katul active however relaxation of 5 years to active. Okay to kinam name of post ble kade assistant lecturer in English kawai assistant lecturer in Khasi kawai assistant lecturer in environmental Khasi kawai assistant lecturer in history kawai assistant lecturer in political science kawai assistant lecturer in education kawai assistant lecturer in accountancy kawai. Minimum required qualification master degree in relevant subject with Bachelor of Education B.Ed from recognized university or its equivalent, or 2 years integrated MSc Ed course or equivalent course with 2 years teaching experience. Kita mendapat ya master with B.Ed. Teki undergoing B.Ed ro kila man apply. Teki post namta ki school ada batayang tei baya dewi hapoh government senior basic and higher secondary school minsu for any stream namta baru extreme any stream arts and technology. Government girls higher secondary school Juwai for commerce stream ha government girls on contractual basis. Tekini ki post ki balai don new tali post. Candidate with certified diploma in computer or knowledge and on using ICT, the teaching process, active involvement beside above prescribed qualification will be an added advantage like don extra ini curricular activities na diploma terter. Kaneru ka last date nam submit application kan day khalai tarik October arja apply to the office of the undersigned during office hour. Application are request to mention phone number and email address in the standard form. Photocopies of relevant document with 2 copies of passport size certificate with for record screening and original document for verification. Then mar bapher ba submit iki document bro dah kapor ba interview bude phia bra upload iki original document nam taban verify ik tagi photocopies ki jonghi. Kaneru kade hapo DSU officer district project auditor RMSA Jowai. Kaneru kade jongki RMSA hi tama kade jongki lecturer. Tekine break laj new tylli baro post. Teki baron ni ka qualification ki bakwa ban apply sa apply. Teki undergoing BR ro ya kana gila andre ya ka ketoko way bede kinum la ban apply. Kan mau. Then secondly tylli bede application invited for the post of assistant teacher at RCLP school Lamir Siang East Jainte Hill. Kana gre East Jainte Hill district. Qualification belong class 12 pass with 45%. Then pass DLED lane B.Ed and MTED LP mamar dejong LP. Salary and age as per deficit system. Ka tulok kade deficit system. The last date of submission kanero kade khatlai tarik October arjar fly. Ka ju i kasni khatlai tarik October arjar fly. Interview khanyo tarik October arjar fly at 11 am. The la airu baru contact number pranyo lai nru not. The la da pikwa ban tip khamne phila ban contact number bla ai hangne. Sekawai biang Sunrise Secondary School Maulai Nonglom required one Hindi teacher kan evident mtaki no hikai Hindi preferably DLED. Interested candidate kindly submit application to the school office during working hour on or before 2010-2023 R4 October class date. Salary according to the government Hindi ad hoc pay kan egadai mantai no hikai Hindi kade ad hoc pay kan evident kam der gai. Contact number lad ai contact number ro pranyo lai are not sound ro ar. Tenamta ki jingtip bakhabania phila ban contact hi ektu number gol ai. Das tylli biang walk in interview kan bede kade direct walk in interview nan kam manda submit application. Walk in interview for the post of assistant teacher in arts science but art science tylli in subject on contract basis is scheduled to be held on 1910 kharkhanai tarik jong manai October arjar fly at 10 am in the office of DSEO hak office jong DSEO tegi bakwa ban apply kan mawas leja kata. Kebanikong assistant teacher arts BA with B.Ed. Ka salary kede fix like 4000. Kabar assistant teacher life science BSc with B.Ed kene like 4000. Interested and eligible candidate may appear to work interview along with fill in application standard form. Original document are to be produced at the time of interview for verification. Age up to 32 years plus 5 years SC/ST no TADA paid for attending the interview. Kene kede po garu helmam. Office of the District Education Officer Resibel Para Not Garuhil kene gre po Not Garuhil Resibel Para la artali ki post jong government kene school government of Meghalaya tekine udai fix pay like 4000 margide jong secondary denam ta kitu ki bukwa ban apply second mau kene gre work interview la da bukwa ban lek ta kene ka post have actually be direct ka khnai tarik mulai October arja apply 10 baje office jong DSEO Resibel Para Not Garuhil. Etang ini kijing tip matrai pelayo kijing tip baro kijing laikam ke badai kam hikai ke badon hapoh tylli baro te sapej ya kano ke bilong qualify sa apply nam ta kita tenak tang ini kijing tip boleh